All right, we're back here at John and Shelly's house, the $25,000 winners. We're gonna show you the final product, so come on in.
Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.
I'm excited.
Hello, Jason.
How's it going?
Welcome.
How's it going?
Jason,
Well,
it's good to see you.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Welcome to our new house.
Thank you. They look beautiful. I mean, what a great job.
Well, it's because of all the windows and doors. That's why.
That's got to be it. No.
Isn't that lovely looking right out at the fountain?
This right when you walk in, the very first thing you see, golf course. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Let's come check it out here. Let's come check this out here. Now the view is sold separately, but you can get the picture window. So this looks incredible.
It fits in there beautifully too.
Is that the first impression that you get from guests when they come over? They see
Exactly. From the walkway coming in, what they see is right out onto the golf course and the beautiful fountain. And this beautiful window sort of centers it.
just such a great job. I love all the choices that you guys made around here. I know we're going to be focusing on windows and doors, but it's hard to because such a great job. And it was you, an interior designer, that did all this?
She did.
You're right. It's just an incredible job.
Thank you.
This is a TV, by the way. Just crazy. So beautiful stuff. I love all the detail in here. Can you show us around at some of the windows and doors and kind of tell us what was there before?
Sure, we're looking at a lovely kitchen window. It's so bright in here. We love the top window up there and the beverage center.
We closed a window right here, right? Is that what that was? Right. Makes a really nice, beverage center. It's beautiful. Really, really, really well done. So, and this was, and I remember doing this one where it was about right here the last time I saw it, and all demoed out. You went with a four panel here, so we can open it up in the middle. Close the screens off, and that way you have that nice breeze coming through and still have the double features, which is really nice, really, really nice.
This is an area that we totally redesigned as well. Put a bathroom in here, but this is really what I wanted to show you. Put sliders off the bedroom as well, so we can walk out into the golf course environment. We wanted to bring the outside in, and that was our objective with so much glass and so many windows and sliders. So walking through here, Shelly, the bedroom, the bathroom.
Nice and light with big window inside. It's lovely in there.
And windows in the bathroom and in the shower, so they can be open and closed to let the moisture out, which is a good idea too.
One thing I'd like to point out is you want the outside to come in, but you don't want the heat and the cold to come in, right?
Exactly.
And so that's what these windows and doors are absolutely perfect for. Keep all the heat and cold out. It insulates, and so like you stand here and you don't feel any temperature difference that you would, if these were single pane or even dual pane with no low E on them. So this, I hope, accomplished every goal that you were going for.
Well, and the other goal too was the UV light is important too. So you want to make sure that the window that one buys has a UV protection on it. And we have a lot of nice quality furniture here with a piano in the corner. We wanted to make sure that UV protection on the glass and on the window would in fact protect the furniture.
Yeah, absolutely. These actually block out, I want to say it's 96% of the UV rays, something like that, this particular glass, so you're not going to have that issue.
Yeah, that's an important issue as a buyer, particularly on the golf course in the desert. That's something to keep in mind.
Absolutely. These are all Anlin products, so top of the line. And then this was the original, not the original door, but this was where the door always was.
Right. Mm-hmm. The
Gotcha.
door was always there.
Yeah, great job. Let's see it from the outside.
Walking through this beautiful wow. See how easy they close too. I mean, just two fingers and they can close it.
No problem, no.
So from here you can see this was concrete. This is a block house. So they were able to knock out all the block. And this is all concrete. Wow.
Roll the stucco into it as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful. You can see the new lintel here. All under warranty, so if you get a golf ball, somebody hooks it left.
But that never happens on the golf course, right?
No, never at all. They always go straight.
They always
They always go right where you want it.
Or the slides. They like the slides on that side.
Just beautiful. So this is what I'm working for. Be able to have a house like this one day. This is awesome. Well, you guys are blessed people, that's for sure.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
all you've done.
Oh, of course,
It's been
absolutely.
terrific working with you.
It was my team. I barely did anything. It was all them.
Nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.